But you ready? You ready, bud? It's right in front of you. This video we're going to be talking about life after the armrest mod. I've done the armrest modification for about a year or so. We're going to go outside, take a look at the solution I have to a problem I've been having recently. So let's go outside, I'll take you out, follow me, and we'll check it out. Basically, you just pull from the top tab and pull forward. It's really an easy move. And you got one over here. It connects by using 4 mounting points. So the string right here, once I pull it, it'll reset so that it's not going to be grabbing onto one of the hinges. Other armrest deletes that are out there, basically it goes ahead and inserts like a 3D molding, and it prevents it from grabbing on the hinge, because that's what the hinge is going to do from stock, from factory. It's going to go ahead and grab, and once it grabs, it ratchets, but it's not going to allow you to bring the armrest fully down. So as you can tell, when you pull it up, it grabs on, right? And then when you have it fully up, normally what happens is there's a spring action, and then the ratcheting mechanism would unhook, and you could kind of reset and bring it back down. But since there's no spring mechanism, once you push it down like so, you're stuck. It's stuck right here. So the function of the string method, right, is to yank it up, have it disconnect, so you bring it all the way back down. Once you release the string, it grabs onto one of the ratcheting, or the rungs, right, or the notches. What I want to do is kind of consolidate these 2 strings to make it easier to grab when I'm driving or when I'm in the front seat, right? So what I have today is heat shrink tubing. I'm trying to find the kind of like the thinnest one, and I think I'm gonna go with this white one. You pull the armrest up and it ratchets, right? And then when you pull it right back all the way up to its most highest position, it is supposed to reset. However, we've been through this. It's not going to reset because we don't have all the necessary equipment or parts for this to be a normally functioning armrest. So hence why we have to do this mod. And as long as we lift this like that, it resets, let go, and that's it. The string fits in perfectly right behind the armrest. Alright, once I close it, you won't see it anymore. When you look behind, it's right there. All you have to do is reach for it, yank it up. Where are you? Okay. And good. Alright. So there you have it, guys. A really, I wouldn't say hassle-free, but a cost-effective way to open up your headrest. Why did I say headrest? Cost-effective way to open up your armrest. Retain the ratcheting function from stock as it was meant to be. Forward and backwards capability, and that's about it for no money at all.